Colonizing the moon has been a dream of humanity for decades. The moon, with its proximity to Earth and its potential for resources, is seen as a natural next step in human expansion beyond our planet. There are several reasons why colonizing the moon could be beneficial for humanity. Welcome to Tell Me More, and today we'll be talking about colonizing the moon. Firstly, the moon could serve as a stepping stone for further exploration and colonization of the solar system. The moon's proximity to Earth makes it an ideal location for testing and developing the technology needed for deep space exploration. Additionally, the moon's surface could be used as a base for launching missions to other celestial bodies. Secondly, the moon could serve as a potential source of resources. The moon is believed to contain significant amounts of water, which could be used for drinking and irrigation, as well as for generating rocket fuel. What's more? Well, the moon's surface is rich in rare earth elements, which are used in a wide range of modern technologies. Extracting these resources from the moon could reduce our dependence on Earth-based resources and help to sustain human civilization in the long term. Thirdly, the moon could also serve as a location for scientific research. The moon's unique environment, with its lack of atmosphere and extreme temperatures, could provide valuable insights into the origins and evolution of the solar system. On top of that, the moon's surface could be used as a location for astronomical observation, providing scientists with unparalleled views of the universe. Despite the potential benefits of colonizing the moon, there are also significant challenges that must be overcome. The biggest challenge is the cost, obviously. Establishing a permanent human presence on the moon would require significant investment in technology and infrastructure. Additionally, the moon's harsh environment would require specialized equipment and living quarters to protect human settlers from the extreme temperatures and radiation. Another challenge is the lack of atmosphere on the moon, which would require the development of new technologies to sustain human life. This would include the development of life support systems such as oxygen generators and water purifiers, as well as the development of protective clothing and equipment to protect settlers from the harsh lunar environment. Finally, there are also political and legal challenges that must be overcome. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967, ratified by over 100 countries including the US, states that the moon and other celestial bodies are not to be claimed as national territory, and that their exploration should be done for the benefit of all mankind. Any attempt to colonize the moon would need to be done in accordance with international law and with the cooperation of other nations. These challenges notwithstanding, there have been several efforts in recent years to lay the foundation for lunar colonization. NASA's Artemis program, for example, aims to land astronauts on the lunar South Pole by 2024 and establish a sustainable presence on the moon by the end of the decade. Additionally, private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are also developing technology for lunar exploration and colonization. One potential benefit of colonizing the moon is its strategic value. The moon could serve as a location for military bases and missile defense systems, providing a strategic advantage in the event of a conflict on Earth. On top of that, the moon's proximity to Earth could also make it an ideal location for communication and surveillance satellites, providing improved communication and surveillance capabilities for countries and organizations. Another potential benefit of colonizing the moon is the economic opportunities it could provide. The moon's resources could be used for commercial purposes, creating new industries and jobs. Furthermore, the moon's unique environment could also be used for tourism, with space tourism companies offering trips to the lunar surface for those willing to pay. Another important aspect to consider when colonizing the moon is the potential impact on the lunar environment. It is important that any attempt to colonize the moon is done so in a sustainable manner, minimizing the impact on the lunar environment and preserving it for future generations. This could include measures such as using renewable energy sources, recycling waste, and avoiding the destruction of unique lunar features. Moreover, the knowledge and experience gained from colonizing the moon could also be used to address other challenges such as climate change and poverty. The technologies and techniques developed for lunar colonization could be then applied to solving these problems on Earth. In addition, the international cooperation necessary for a successful lunar colonization effort could also have positive spillover effects, promoting collaboration and cooperation among nations on other issues. In summary, colonizing the moon could have strategic, economic, and environmental benefits, and it could also help in addressing global challenges and promoting international cooperation. It's important to keep in mind that any effort to colonize the moon must be done in a sustainable and responsible manner. And on that word of advice, it's time for us to call it a day. But we do hope that you liked the video and found it informative. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Your valuable suggestions are very important to us, so do post them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.